Hello, welcome to Cesim Global Challenge 2024-2025. The top 10 winning tips. Winning tip number 5, the production. Check the production, right? It's very important. It affects immediately the sale and the profit, and very important decision in the CESIM is production. I show you now. Remember, we have all the 10 videos, separate video for 10 winning tips, but this is very important. We need to check the production to see what the product lines we are going to produce. In this example, you see we started production of take 1 and take 2, also the total capacity. Here you see the total, and also the total outsourcing we have around 2,180 and 6,600 here. So you can set the strategy. In this example, we can see that we produce take 2 a lot by outsourcing, and take 1 by production domestically, internally, right? And also we need to check the inventory to see inventory we have, and investment for the new plant, so we can start the production next round. So remember, production is one of the most decision for CESIM. It affects the sale and profit immediately, right? So we need also to plan the production for increasing the capacity for the coming rounds to meet the increasing demand, right? If you have any question, you send the email to cesimhelp2020@gmail.com or get the free support for round 1 and round 2. Check the other video from round 1 to winning tip number 1 to number 10 to apply that for own rounds.